It's been nearly 4 decades since John Wayne Gacy was arrested and charged with murdering 33 boys and young men. 6 of his victims remain unidentified, including these 2 young victims. They're known as John Doe number 10 and John Doe number 13. Last year, the Cook County Sheriff's Office reached out to the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children and asked them to help them identify the 2 young victims using facial reconstruction software. These are the images the forensic artists were able to create. This is John Doe number 10. He's believed to have been between the ages of 17 and 21 and was 5'7" to 5'11". His hair and eye color are not known, but the artists say that he had sustained an injury to his left clavicle prior to his death and that it had healed well. This is John Doe number 13. He is believed to have been 18 to 22 years old and stood approximately 5'9" to 6'2". He had dark brown wavy hair and one of his upper teeth was displaced behind another tooth. The National Center for Missing and Exploited Children are hoping that someone will recognize these images and come forward to help law enforcement identify these 2 young victims. They say they understand that the young men's parents may be elderly or dead at this point because it has been so long, but it's very likely that these 2 young men had friends or siblings that would see these pictures and be able to recognize them. Since 2011, the agency says their images have helped to identify about 125 children, and they're hoping that these 2 will also be identified.